I just like to show the progress. Like, I can't remember how long ago that video was that I did of the barn. I'll have to look. Those are cool. I definitely like those. So yeah, this was, if you can remember, I took a video of, it was a barn and they turned it into a house. Well, this is their add-on, and it is freaking gorgeous. OMG, wow. And that's the main house right there, and it looks like they're gonna have basically you can walk through to the other side. I don't want to show the people, they're out there, but they literally put this pool in. This was not here last time I was here. It's pretty. Oh, I love this. That's awesome. I like that dark wood. That is cool. I like that light fixture too. And I love the barn door look. Like, that is my favorite. Oh my gosh, I need that shop vacuum. It's like a premium shop vac. I don't know what this is. Oh wow. Okay. And then, oh shit, I almost fell. We'll walk back downstairs. That's a big mother effer. So I'll show you this is going to be the kitchen. The ceiling. Kitchen. And then this is a garage. And then the front part is a garage. That huge fan would be so nice right about now. But I like their cupboards, they're pretty. They're like a bluish color. Anyways, just wanted to share. Thought that was cool. And I love the ceiling. Tongue and groove. This is gonna be the bathroom. As you can see, I already got this shower. I like the tiled showers better, but hey, I still like the wood look. And then they got, like I said, I like the barn door attachment. And then that's just utility stuff. But these barn door things are so sweet. Okay, here's an updated look at what happened here today. Got all this up. I don't know why it's zoomed in so far. It'd be weird. But yeah, got that whole area up. And these things apparently came in 2 separate pieces and they had to screw them together. Very interesting.